This is my favorite instrument. This is a zip bubble, and it measures how flat a surface is. It's got an argon gas in it, and I measure flat of the house. And to determine that, first of all, I have to turn it on. And any reputable repair contractor that you talk to, if you end up needing that, should have a tool like this or a laser to determine how flat the foundation is. It has a readout in the head that will tell us in tenths of an inch how what the difference is between the zero and the low point. So a inspector coming to do this, to make a diagnosis of a foundation, should find the 0 point, which means they push the button and they wait until they hear the final beep, and that is the 0 point. Now, these instruments are very sensitive and they are bothered by people's touch. They're bothered by a pet sitting on them. So a person who's an inspector is obviously going to know this. The beauty of this tool versus laser or guessing or anything else is that this will tell us to an accuracy within a tenth of an inch. It can measure floors. So you would begin here if this is a 0. And then you'd move along the perimeter wall, take a new measurement, and so forth. And that will tell you how flat the house is. However, many houses have a lot of stuff along the perimeter walls. So that can be a challenge because you can't get an accurate measurement. So guess what this tool can also do? It can measure off the ceiling. So if you're on a perimeter wall, you can measure off the ceiling, get a number here, move down the wall, off the ceiling here, get a number on that, make sure you're not stepping on the hose, and then of course that should be designated on a diagram or drawing, and your foundation inspector or repair contractor should be able to make a diagnosis from that. Anyway, that's why I like this instrument, and that's why I use it pretty much every day in inspections and diagnosis of foundation issues.